Hello everyone, my name is Harsh and in this video we will be learning about virus, a computer virus. Viruses are like the biological virus only. These viruses are a self-replicating program that produces its own copy by attaching itself to another program or any other document. And Viruses are generally transmitted through files, infected disk, flash drives, and email attachments as well. What are the characteristics of virus? What does virus do once it enters any system? So, what it does, it infects other program. It can transform itself. It can encrypt itself. It can alter the data. It can corrupt the files and programs. It can self-replicate, means it can create its own copy. So, why are viruses created? What are the purpose of creating a virus? Uh, Viruses can be created for malicious intent, like some individual create virus to cause some harm, disrupt the computer system, and obviously compromise data. Uh, w- some reasons are like financial gain as well, like cyber criminals may develop and deploy viruses to steal sensitive financial information such as credit card details, login credentials for monetary gain. Some are like uh, political motivation. Viruses may be created for advanced political agendas such as disrupting critical infrastructure or compromising the security of targeted government. Or the best case is for creating viruses, testing and researching. If a developer has developed some kind of program uh, in a safe environment, he is creating a virus to test the security level of that program, which kind of security vulnerability is there in the system. What are the indications that there is a virus, like the system is infected by virus? So there are many indications. I have listed like only six, but there are more than that. To know that when the system is infected by some virus, it can be unusual system behavior, unexplained file change or deletion, unexpected pop-ups or advertisement, a change in the desktop or wallpaper, unusual network activity, and disable security softwares. These are not limited to this. Something more are there, like maybe file and folders are missing, suspicious hard drive activity, constant antivirus alerts, browser window freeze. Many things are there. These are all unusual activities which are happening to our system. Then there are chances that the system is being compromised or it has been affected or infected by any kind of virus or a malware or something. See, I said malware, but malware is a different kind of thing, and virus is a different kind of thing. Computer virus is more of like a biological virus only. It needs a host to get transported from one place to another place, just like a biological virus. So now we'll have to learn about the life cycle of virus. As like the biological virus, there is a life cycle of computer virus as well, in which the first stage is the design. First stage is the design, in which developing virus code using programming languages or any kind of tools which are available. And the next stage is replication. It involves uh, copying itself within the target system and spread itself throughout the system. The next stage in the life cycle of virus is launch, which involves activating when the user performs certain actions, such as he clicks somewhere on some link or maybe some email attachment or some program which he is running. The next stage is detection. A virus is identified as threat infecting the target system. Uh, so its detection is very important. Once after detection, the next stage will come as incorporation. Antivirus software developer, uh, like using some antivirus software or something, some other kind of tool, boot time scan, and different kinds of scan available by which we can get to know that the system is being affected or it's in the normal state. And the last stage is the execution of damage routine. User installs antivirus updates and they eliminate the virus threats that we know. What are the types of virus? Like yeah, virus is there, but there are many kinds of virus. I've listed six, but there are more than that. I've listed six. These are like very important kind of viruses, which involves system boot sector virus, cell and file extension virus, stealth tunneling, and logic bomb, companion camouflage, corrupt files and programs. So these are some kind of viruses. Other kind of viruses involves like a macro and cluster virus, overwriting file or cavity virus, uh, encryption virus, a sparse infector virus. There are many. Web scripting virus. So we will not spend more time in knowing about the types of virus because they are many. The main purpose of a virus is that if a system is infected, its security is being compromised, then that's not good for the health of the system, or maybe for the user who is having that system, it's not good for him as well, because viruses are not always good. It's being created by some person with a kind of intent that he maybe some black hat hacker or something. Maybe he wants some kind of data. Maybe someone wants to spy on you, or any kind of things can be there. So now we'll be learning how to create a virus. As we know that types of now we know the types of virus. We know what a virus is, what it does, how it works in the system. And the final thing is how to create a virus. So I'll be moving to my Kali Linux screen. So now we are on our Kali Linux terminal. So here we can see, we will see a simple program which can delete system, or in the C folder there is a Windows folder which has all the important files for the window to boot up. We will write a program that when the program is executed, it will delete the Windows folder. I will not run that, but I will show you how you can make a .batch file, .bat file for doing this kind of thing, like deleting something, replicating itself into the multiple copies of itself. So for that we will have to create a file named with .bat extension. So we will write, let's simply write nano, and we can write any file name which we want to create, uh, whatever, let's say hers.bat. So now we will have to write the code for that. So it's at the rate echo of, and we will start a for loop for replicating itself, which will be 4, and with double percentage we will write f, then n, then in the parentheses we will write star dot bat. And for this condition, this is the condition for the for loop to run. If this condition is satisfied, what will this program do? It will be like, so we will write do, then we will write a command to copy itself, which will be copy, then again double percentage, then again f, and then plus, we will write then file name which we have to copy, which is um, hers.bat, and for deletion of the windows, for deletion of the folder we will write del, which stands for deletion, and we will write address of the folder which we want to delete. So we'll write c colon C colon, then backslash, and the name of the folder which we want to delete, which will be, let's say, if let's say demo, or let's write some like Windows, and then again backslash, then a star dot star. So if we save this file as .bat as a .bat file, and we run this program on any Windows PC, what it will do, it will look for this condition. Once this condition is satisfied, it will create a copy of itself, and it will delete this folder, whatever this address is written. So I'm not going to run this. This was just for the demonstration purpose, that this, we can say that this file will be a virus for the host system, and it can corrupt the file. It can delete the folder within the matter of second, and if those folders are really very necessary for the system to run, then the system will be dead within the matter of seconds. There are other ways as well to create virus by using some kind of virus maker. Some of the examples are like JPS virus maker, and more are there. Not only JPS, it's like one more is there, Bhavesh virus maker, SKW, and Deadly virus maker. It's also a program in which we can simply mark few of the checklist, and we can make a virus. And I would always recommend you to do all these kind of experiments in a virtual machine, so that your system will be safe. And if the system is dying also, then that will be on the virtual machine, so your real data will not get affected. And let's see how can we create a virus using some of the tools. Let me move to JPS virus maker. So this is the interface for GPS Virus Maker 3.0. These are the functionalities which we can program the virus, like disable the registry, disable msconfig, disable task manager, or there are different kind of. Simply we have to checklist, and once we are done with all the option or whatever the functionality what we want in the that virus to contain, we can simply click on this create virus, and that virus will be created. And once the virus is created, we can think of the different ways by which we can transmit this virus to the host system or the target system. And once the user or whoever the host is will run the program, system will get affected by the virus. The virus will start creating its own copy again and again until it's done it until the whole task is completed, whatever the virus is being programmed. So that's it for today. Uh, if you like the video, if you like the content, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.